Hello everybody, and welcome to this wet day. And me and Deke in the lead sled. We're heading down to a place. Yeah, we're heading down to a place I only found out existed a couple of days ago, and it's on my doorstep. So we're heading down. It's not really car related, but we're going down to have a look at the South Wales Aviation Museum. So we're going to be looking at still cool machines, but yeah, planes. I know you'd like to see a Hercules as well, yes. But I don't know how big this museum is. I don't know if they'll have the room for one of them, but
yeah, they're massive. I want to see one.
We can hope that there's one there.
Yeah. I do want to see a massive plane, especially Hercules. They're pretty cool.
Oh yeah. Yeah, follow us on this video, on this journey, and we'll show you what we find. Oh, look at that plane up there. I don't know what type of plane that is.
Part of that wing's gone off. Look, you can see it's flat down.
Yeah.
The wing's gone, but it's flat.
Everybody's going to have to excuse my ignorance because I have no idea about a lot of the aircrafts, what they're called and things.
Whoa, that thing's got 4 propellers on that wing.
Oh, wow. Right, we're here. This place looks amazing already. We've not even set foot in. Follow us around. We'll get lots of pictures and videos, I imagine, as we're walking around, won't we?
Yes, I can't wait.
Me too.
Let me out, let me out.
Let's get in there.
I want to have a look at the planes inside.
Even the entrance to this place is a canopy of a plane. That's brilliant. Pilot. I bet you could fly that one now. think I'm in trouble here.
We're gonna crash, I think.
There you can see the Harrier behind me. Absolutely beautiful plane. I love the slope of the wings. I love the fact that this is one of the first, if not the first, jet engine that could hover, or jet plane that could hover. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. My granddad used to work on them. So glad I found this thing. Or something to actually see one in the flesh. So cool. This thing's incredible, isn't it? I love how it's got. Have you noticed it's got the little extra landing gear underneath the underneath the wings to support them?
Oh yeah.
That's one.
Lift off lights.
It's actually got a refueling thing on it.
I'm gonna start from the front of the.
I love them. Yeah. What do you think of this Harrier? Considering this is the one that this is one like your Grampy used to work on.
Got awesome jets. Got a big.
I love how the wings slope downwards.
I love how the jet can rotate up and down a whole.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you know why they rotate up and down?
Mind dread.
Because
It's got like it's like a car kind of, because it's got a fuel thing here. I think that's a fuel cap.
mind your head.
My head.
Yeah, you can actually see a couple of the missiles on here. That's fantastic.
Oh, they're too heavy. I can't lift them up.
No, I don't think you can. I think they're locked in place.
Well, I like it. It's got huge stands. That's what I think. I think it's the most amazing plane in the world.
It's one of my favourites, definitely.
I'm gonna go operate the plane.
This is what's left of a wreck of a MiG that was in an air show. It's incredible the state of it. But I remember seeing this. Well, I've seen videos of this on TV a lot of times before. Was it 91? No, 93. That was an amazing day out, wasn't it? I really enjoyed that. The cafe was brilliant.
Oh yeah.
The museum's absolutely fantastic. You can actually get close to the planes. You can sit in the planes. You can touch the planes and the helicopters and everything. Absolutely amazing. I would recommend this place to everybody, anyone who's interested. It's the SWAM, South Wales Air Museum. Absolutely awesome.
And it's only on in Sunday and Saturday, so days off.
One thing I love is the fact that you're actually driving through an airfield, like through part of the airbase. This is part of.
There's a plane outside that you can operate.
Part of old RAF St Athan, and you can actually hear a plane because Cardiff Airport is not far from that way.
I can hear one right now.
Yeah, and over there, in the distance in the black buildings, is
Aston Martin.
Aston Martin Lagonde. That's right, where they build the DBX Aston Martin. So. Just a really interesting place. I've really enjoyed today. It's been fantastic.
That's what